video. I am currently in Baltimore in my friend Jane's apartment, and I just decided to come here because I finally had a little week off to do something. So I decided to come back and visit my friend Jane, and I also have another friend, Colleen, who lives here. Starting off the vlog inside, not only because it is 86% humidity outside, but also because I went to meet Jane for lunch in between her classes. And, you know, harassment, street harassment is just, it's a huge deterrent. I always wonder how, like, other vloggers out there just record while they're on the street. Like, I feel like you gotta be on guard. I mean, most of them are usually traveling with their, like, photographer boyfriends, I guess, or with groups of people on trips. But I don't know, like, it's just a huge deterrent. I don't want to have my camera out when I'm passing a bunch of people, and especially it just seemed like I'm not on guard. I don't want someone coming into the video. I don't want anyone snatching something out of my hand. I don't know if I just take extra precautions like that, or maybe it's the fact that, like, most of my trips I travel with just one other person, or I'm walking somewhere by myself. But yeah, I'm sorry that a lot of my vlogs thus far have not had many clips of me actually being outside and doing things. But yeah, I don't know, it's interesting. I mean, I feel like you shouldn't start a vlog off with having a heart-to-heart, but that's what's gonna happen because I have the time and these thoughts are on my mind. But I had a lot of anxiety around this trip. I don't know, it was a combination of things. It was like I had a really bad week, and then I was stressed out because Baltimore airport is kind of one of those main airports like Houston, and I'm trying to think of other, all I can think of, like Houston, that's all I can think of off the top of my head, that they cancel a lot of their flights if there's bad weather. And the forecast for this weekend is already raining or sprinkling, going further into rain, and then thunderstorms on the day that I need to leave. So I guess I'm a little stressed out about that. But also, like, I got all discombobulated, almost missed my flight this morning, and I don't know if that was just like my anxiety telling me don't go, but then I made it and I haven't had any issues, and I had an actually really pleasant flight, and I had Nando's, which if you watched my London vlog then you know that Nando's is my absolute favorite. So, you know, it's just very confusing what's going on, like, mentally and sort of physically, because it's starting the stress, and I hate to use the word anxiety because a lot of people actually have anxiety and a lot of people claim to have it anytime they just get nervous, and I don't want to seem like I am that person who jumps on that, like, and just uses it as a crutch. I have anxiety, but I do think I have mild anxiety. But it's true, I mean, for lack of a better word in this situation, my stress and my anxiety, like I said, for lack of a better word in this situation, have just been, like, keeping me up at night and making me nauseous, and I don't know, it's like I'm worried. I'm perpetually worried, waking up feeling like something bad is gonna happen, and it goes away and it comes in waves. It's mostly like when I get some real quiet time and there's nothing else going on and I'm thinking about things that I have to do the next day or coming up, and I just get really, like, about it. It's weird, and I don't know where it comes from, and I don't know if it is like a premonition type thing, like I should be alert, like my spidey senses or something are trying to tell me something. I have no idea. I have no idea what it's really about, but it's starting to bother me because it's starting to get to the point where it's a little debilitating. It makes me not want to do things. It makes me not want to go outside the house. Like, this morning there was even a point where I was walking to the gate and I said, well, if I don't get on this flight, I'm not going to be too upset about it. And that's not good. Like, I love traveling. Of course, I've been looking forward to this. I've been wanting to see my friends. I've been dying to get out of Dallas because I just needed a new scenery, and I just really needed to separate myself from work and being at home. But I don't know if it's just because there have been some changes lately in my life that have caused me to just, like, react to overall change. It's maybe I haven't fully processed that these changes have happened. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm gonna try and not let that deter me from doing what I plan to do on this trip in terms of filming. I really enjoy creating little videos like this for you guys, and you know, I do want you guys to see the Baltimore that I got to see that I actually really like. I really enjoyed my last trip to Baltimore, my first trip, which was last September on Labor Day. I came here with a bunch of friends and it was like just an amazing weekend, and I think this weekend is going to be a lot of fun too. Today I'm in Baltimore and tomorrow I'm also in Baltimore, but we're driving to Virginia, Jane and I, to see another one of our high school friends, and that's going to be so cool. And then I'm headed back home on Saturday, but I'm just looking forward to being around people who know the real me, who I can talk to about anything, that I can just have fun with and have a genuine laugh, a great time filled with joy, and just relax. I feel like as this video has been going, clearly I haven't relaxed in a while, and I'm already feeling relaxed being here, being in this space, and also because Jane has a dog who will be in this vlog at some point or several points. Yeah, I just hope that the rest of this trip continues to be great and kind of rejuvenates my psyche and my emotions and mentality. I just want this to kind of wipe the slate, so when I go home I'm in better spirits and I can just tackle the weeks and start focusing on things that I want to start doing in the future and start planning for hopefully another trip. There's always going to be another trip, but one that's sooner than later. But yeah, so I'll be carrying you guys around with me, and I hope that this is a filled vlog for you guys, and if not, you know, you got a whole video of me sharing my thoughts that I feel like a lot of people go through in terms of anxiety and stress and having that weird feeling that you're like, is this a premonition, is this karma, is this, what is it? I know I'm not alone in this struggle, so yeah, it can happen while you're on vacation too. But hopefully it just subsides. I really feel like it's going to.
Hello. Hi, Milo. Hi, Roxy. You guys are the cutest. As expected, it's a rainy day in Baltimore. We made it to Reston! Woohoo! Didn't we, Jane?
Thank God.
Woohoo! Finally, 2 hours later.
Oh, it's a road trip.
Roxy and Milo.
Oh my God.
doggy. 1. Hi. 2.
They're all coming up.
Roxy. She doesn't like me anymore. So good. Holy shit. I don't have any cash. That's so cool. Should we do it? Which one are we doing, Jane? Let's do the dragon one. Woohoo! I did something impulsive, and I'm on the water. And I don't know if I've ever talked about this on the vlog actually. I'm terrified of water. Any large body of water, it doesn't matter what it is, even if it's a pool. I don't like it due to a number of circumstances. But you know, I'm out here on the water with Jane. Living life! Living life. Trying to do something new. You know, you're in a new city. Just do what you can while you're alive. Right now I'm alive. If not, somebody will find this footage and be like, I mean, that's how she was supposed to go. So we're out here. And you know what? Making the best of this day that we thought was gonna be raining. And it's not. So here's to new experiences. So we rode boats at Inner Harbor, right? Yeah. And it was I Didn't Die, so that's good. This footage will be reported. And we just did a virtual reality experience at the Samsung tent. Yeah, I think it's a little pop-up, but it's really cool, it's really fun. And we checked out the new Galaxy Note. Is it a Galaxy Note or just Galaxy S9? Both. Yeah, we did the S9 Plus, we saw a Galaxy Note. And they were really cool, and honestly kind of trying to decide if we're going to convert. It's just really nice. Like the whole phone was nice, but you know, that whole like once you're an iPhone person, I don't know. But if anyone is ever in Inner Harbor, the boat ride that we did on the Dragons, the little dragon boat, that was $20 for half an hour. But that half an hour flies by really fast, and honestly, when you have 2 people, it's a 4-seater, but for 2 people, it's $10 a person. It was great. So if you have 4 people, it's even better. Yeah, so now we're just trying to walk around so we can kill some more time. Since it's not raining, the night is young, or the day is young, but we have to figure out what we're doing. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Well, I'm coming to you guys from Mount Vernon to get the George Washington original monument, but you know, like whatever about George Washington. But yeah, Baltimore has been really cool. It's been cool to go to Baltimore and Virginia. Hope you guys are enjoying Usher in the background. It's cool. I don't know, I really like this area, and it's always nice to have people that you can stay with and stuff and be able to explore different things. Like, we thought that this whole weekend was going to be full of rain and thunderstorms and that I wouldn't get to do anything, and we got to do so much, and I'm so happy that I took this trip. I really needed it to check in on how I started out the video. I'm not feeling anxious at all. I'm feeling really excited about going home and kind of cleaning up my space and I don't know, just I feel like I have a fresh start. I've been around some of my closest friends and I feel so much better. And now it's just, unfortunately, it is time to go home. I never want to leave my vacations, but at least everything's back on a clean slate, and I know I'll be back in Baltimore and or Virginia and hopefully DC later this year. But I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.